In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and set up a Blogger website as a complete beginner, step by step. Now, if you've been thinking about starting your own blog but aren't sure where to begin, you're in the right place. This video will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. We'll start by understanding what Blogger is and why many beginners choose it. Then we'll go through the process of creating your account and setting up your blog step by step. After that, we'll explore the Blogger dashboard so you know exactly where everything is and what each section does. We'll also customize your blog design, create important pages, and publish your first blog post. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, understand what Blogger actually is. Blogger is a free blogging platform developed and powered by Google that allows people to create and publish content online. It gives users a place to share articles, images, videos, and other content with readers around the world. One of the biggest advantages of Blogger is that it is beginner-friendly and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. You can choose ready-made themes, personalize your blog design, and even connect your own custom domain if you want a more professional setup. Blogger can be a great choice for hobby bloggers, creative individuals, freelancers, and small business owners. Because it connects smoothly with other Google services, managing your content becomes simple and convenient. Whether your goal is sharing personal experiences, writing tutorials, creating a portfolio, or building an online brand, Blogger provides enough flexibility to help you get started. Now, let's move on and create a Blogger account. To begin, open any browser and search for Blogger. Open the official Blogger website. Once you arrive on the homepage, click the Create Your Blog button located in the center of the screen. After that, log in using your Google account details. If you do not already have a Google account, choose the account creation option and complete the steps to create one. After signing in, you'll be asked to enter a title for your blog. Choose a name that matches the purpose or topic of your website. Once you enter the title, click Next. After that, select a website address or URL for your blog and continue by clicking Next again. If the address you choose is unavailable, Blogger may suggest alternatives you can use. Then choose the display name that readers will see when visiting your blog. Finally, click Finish. Blogger will take a few moments to process everything, and once complete, you'll automatically enter your Blogger dashboard where you can begin building and managing your website. Now, let's take a look around the Blogger dashboard because this is where you'll manage almost everything related to your blog. The dashboard has a clean and simple design that makes navigation easy. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a menu containing all the important sections and tools. Think of this area as your main control center, where nearly every setting and feature can be accessed. The Post section is where you can create, edit, and manage your blog articles. Here you can see drafts as well as published content. Every post includes options that let you edit, remove, or share it whenever needed. This section helps you stay organized and makes content management simple. The Stats section provides insights into your blog performance. You can check visitor numbers, understand audience activity, and identify which content is receiving the most views. Reviewing these details regularly can help you understand what type of content your audience enjoys most. The Comments section allows you to manage reader interactions. You can review comments, approve them, delete unwanted ones, or mark spam comments. Managing comments effectively helps maintain a positive environment on your website. Next is the Earnings section. This area allows you to connect your blog with Google AdSense. Once your blog gets approved, you can display ads and potentially generate income from your traffic. Many bloggers eventually use this feature when their audience begins growing. The Pages section is designed for content that stays permanent on your site. This usually includes pages such as About Us, contact information, privacy policies, and similar information pages. You'll also find the Layout section, where you can arrange your website structure. You can add or reposition items such as headers, sidebars, footers, search tools, recent post sections, and social media widgets. The Themes section controls the appearance of your blog. Here you can select pre-designed themes and personalize fonts, backgrounds, and colors to create a design that fits your content style. Then there's the Settings section, where you can control different website features. This area includes privacy settings, author permissions, comments management, and SEO-related options. You'll also notice the Reading List section, which allows you to keep up with blogs you follow and see their latest updates. At the bottom of the menu, you'll find a View Blog option that allows you to instantly preview your website and see how visitors will experience your content. Now let's customize the blog. To start, open the theme section from the dashboard. You'll see multiple theme options available. Browse through them and select one that matches your content style and overall vision. After selecting a theme, you can preview it, apply it directly, or customize it further. Click the Customize option to begin editing. Here you can change fonts, colors, layouts, and design settings. You can make headings more attractive, adjust background colors, or use custom fonts to give your site a unique appearance. Some themes also include layout editing features that allow you to rearrange different sections of the blog. Small design changes can create a big difference in how professional your site looks. Once you finish making changes and everything looks good, click Save. Now let's understand pages and how to create them. In Blogger, pages are used for information that rarely changes. Unlike blog posts, pages do not appear in your regular content feed. These are often used for about sections, contact details, service information, FAQs, or privacy policies. To create a page, click Pages from the left side menu and select New Page. For example, if you want to create an About Us page, first enter a title at the top. Then click inside the blank area and begin typing your content. You'll notice a formatting toolbar above the editor. Using these tools, you can create headings, make text bold or italic, underline words, change colors, adjust font sizes, and insert links, images, videos, emojis, or lists. On the right side, you'll see additional options that let you enable or disable comments for readers. At the top right corner, there are buttons for Preview, Save, and Publish. Before publishing, you can preview your page and even see how it looks across different devices. If everything looks good, click Publish. If not, you can save your progress and continue editing later. You can even drag and drop media files directly into the page editor for easier uploading. Finally, let's create a blog post. To do this, select Posts from the left menu and wait for it to load. After that, click New Post. The editor here looks similar to the page editor. Add a title for your post and begin writing your content in the blank area provided. The formatting tools allow you to style text, adjust font appearance, underline words, add bold formatting, and insert media content like images, videos, and links. You'll also see additional settings on the right side. For example, labels help organize your content into categories. If you run a recipe blog, labels could include categories like desserts or quick meals. You'll also see publishing date settings and permalink options. For beginners, automatic permalinks work perfectly fine. Some optional settings, such as location information, can simply be skipped if not needed. You also have this options section similar to the one you saw earlier on Pages. Once your article is ready, click Preview if you want, and then click Publish. And that wraps up this complete Blogger tutorial. Today we covered everything from understanding Blogger and creating an account to exploring the dashboard, customizing your site, creating pages, and publishing your first blog post. Hopefully this guide made the entire process easy to understand and follow. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.